The IE display features customizable dashboards for control and live operational data. You can customize and create your own dashboards easily with Picus. So, let's see how easy it is to configure a dashboard for your IE display with Picus. If you don't have it already, download the latest Picus free from DEIF.com and install. Then connect an Ethernet cable to your PC, to the controller, and then launch Picus. Locate your controller and log on. Open the Display Designer under Configure. Your controller has default dashboards which you can customize or remove if needed. You can also add more customized dashboards and even reorder how these are shown on the display. So, let's add a new dashboard and then customize it. First, we create a new dashboard by using the Add Blank page. Each page can contain widgets, soft keys, and a mimic for the controller type. So let's add some widgets by dragging and dropping them onto the page. Resize a widget by using any of the size handles. Move a widget by selecting it and dragging where you want it. Configure a widget by selecting it and use Configuration. As this is a gauge widget, we can configure where the data come from and also how the range and scale are shown. Let's show the generator frequency with this widget. Select Functions and then the analog output functions for the generator L1 frequency. The widget updates to show the frequency in Hertz. Let's change the style of the gauge too. We'll also add a value widget and configure this to show the generator L1 voltage. If needed, you can also include the controller mimic on the page. Select the page or use the Page tab, then check Include Mimic, and the mimic is included at the bottom of the page. You can also add and configure the soft keys shown at the bottom of the page. Select the keys you want to include, then choose the key type and actions you want. You can also include more than one action on the same key. For example, acknowledge all alarms and reset alarm horn. You can then choose the action you want on the display. When you're finished creating your new dashboard, use Write to update the controller. You can now use your new dashboard on the display.